In this video, we are going to see how to plot these section view sheets. Currently, I am in my exported drawing from the earlier video. So you can see I have these layouts. So if you want to go to the first layout, you can use this arrow here and go to first layout. And first you can go to the first layout and go and do a plot preview, and we will use this monochrome as earlier and click the view whether it is working properly. So it seems like my grids are a bit darker, too much darker, so I wish to decrease the size of the grid. Other than that, most of the things are okay. Make sure you have to update these things. I haven't updated this. In Civil 3D you have to update these sizes anyway. So I will press escape and go back here again and double click inside the viewport, go into the models place, select this line, select similar, please select similar all grid lines and right click, go to properties, and I will change this default thickness to 0, and I will increase the line thickness of this one as well, my existing ground. I go and select similar, it will select all the similar lines and go to properties. I will change this to, instead of default, I will change this to 0.18, and on the other hand we have a line, polyline here, that is the bottom surface. Maybe you have a top surface here. Here we have the top surface. We will increase the line thickness of that top surface as well to, let us say, 0.02 or something like that. So I click escape. Now I go to plot again and see whether I move to monochrome option and see whether it plots properly. Now you can see it plots much more properly than the earlier one. Now there's another problem here. If you go with plotting these things, your colors are a little bit different from the earlier one. So you are always getting black color. So this one we will plot this section using color, right? So we go to first viewport, right click here, then go to plot, and we want to move to AutoCAD because we are going to plot this one in color format. So you, in this one you can see now my views are seen properly here. So now it looks okay for me, so I will select this one to plot. So I will add this to a plot page setup, and page setup name would be setup 1. Right, then I click cancel, then I right click here and go to select all layouts. If we select all my layouts, then I will select, right click and select publish selected layouts. Then it will highlight the first layout, which is layout 1. I will remove that one, and all other will be my section views. I have 51 section views, so I will click Ctrl A to select all the section views, Ctrl A. Then from the page setup we will have setup 1 here, and it will create the section views. Now I will use publish option. Instead you can select publish in background, so that it will doing this work in background, but I will, without going in background, I will click publish here. Then it will give you a asking for a name. Let us say section view sheets. Click select, and I don't want to save for this one. You don't want to worry about this option, and it will plot these sheets. You can see it will plot one by one. So here we are plotting the sheets in color mode without going to black and white. But if you need to print this in black and white or monochrome, you need to do some certain changes in the Civil 3D drawing so that you get the best color out, best black and white output. Because for the layers like wearing course or binder course, we have hatches. So instead of hatches, colored hatches, we need to use some color patterns so that we can identify those layers. For the hatches, when you are going in hatches, but the problem is when you are converting it to monochrome, all the hatches will become darker, like black color, so you cannot identify the layers one by one. So instead you have to select certain patterns except the colors. So when you are going with monochrome, it will show the pattern and we can easily identify the section view layers from the patterns there. So that is how we should do when you go with a monochrome. We will talk it in a separate video. Now you can see my section views are plotted, so we will see how it was plotted. So now you can see my section views are nicely plotted here with the elevations and all the colorful layers. So if you zoom in here, you can see my see my layers as well as fields as well as labels, right? So if you want to go with a monochrome plot, you need to, as I told you earlier, if you go with the monochrome plot, these color hatches would become black and all these would look like a black box. So instead you need to have separate hatch patterns instead of colors when you are going with monochrome. So in a separate video I will explain how to change those things, right? So that is about plan production and section view creation in Civil 3D. I hope now you can plot anything with road design in terms of cross sections and plan profiles with this plan production practice.
Thank you for watching our channel. Please like, share and subscribe our channel, and don't forget to press on bell icon.